Hi and welcome to Qt QML tutorial. I'm delighted to have you here and thrilled to introduce you to this tutorial series that we have crafted with a lot of love and expertise. My name is Lukas Kosiński. I am the CEO at Sci Studio, Qt QML consulting company. We help our customers achieve their objectives by providing them with skilled Qt developers. I hope that you are going to like it. The tutorial that we have prepared has 16 episodes, but first, let me share why we created this course. In our journey as QML development company, we came across countless individuals eager to learn and grow, and we simply wanted to give back to the community and provide a launching pad for all those who aspire to build their skills and create great software. This course is a beacon to guide you through the world of Qt and QML without getting overwhelmed. For whom is this course? If you have experience in C++ or any object-oriented programming language and you have a willing to learn, this course is for you. And it's going to be a journey where we explore concepts, build projects, and let's say discover the beauty of Qt. It does not matter whether you are a senior, regular, or junior software engineer. We are teaching you things quite specific to Qt framework, so it's a new technology for you anyway. However, the more coding experience you have, the better. Yeah, and now let's talk about what's in store, what you find in our series. First, if you do not know what is Qt, we recorded a podcast episode exactly on this topic. We'll start by exploring why Qt is such a great choice for a wide range of projects. We will discuss its cross-platform capabilities and other factors that will help you make a decision whether it's a right technology to go with or not. Next, we'll take a deep dive into setting up your development environment. We'll get you up and running with Qt Creator, which is a great IDE packed with a lot of features that make Qt development cool. Then we are going to delve into the communication mechanism within Qt, like signals and slots. These are fundamental to understand how different components interact within your application. And as we move ahead, we'll explore the structure of Qt objects, understanding how objects are organized and how they communicate is really vital in building robust Qt apps. Yeah, and one of the jewels of Qt is QML. We are going to dedicate a portion of this series to learn the essentials of QML, how it revolutionizes user interface programming, and how you can create custom QML items in QMLs, and yeah, and much more, including resources and positioning and stuff like that. And of course, what's an application without logic, right? We'll cover integrating C++ with QML. This is where things start getting really interesting, and you will learn to, let's say, harness the power of C++ in your Qt Quick application. Yeah, and finally, no, not yet finally, but there will be networking. We have not forgotten about that. We live in a connected world, and knowing how to communicate over the network is essential. We'll have some practical examples, including building a simple REST API client. Yeah, and finally, we will talk about the path forward. How can you continue to grow and learn in Qt QML development? What resources are available, and also how you can make the best use of them. Yeah, and alongside these concepts, we'll have hands-on examples, coding tips, and best practices, and you will have a chance to engage with a community of Qt guys. And also, if at any point you need more advanced content, Sci Studio offers in-depth training tailored to your needs. Just check the links in the description. Yeah, and the world of Qt and QML development is quite vast and exciting, and I'm happy to have you with us for this adventure. Don't forget to engage with us in the comments, like the video, subscribe to our channel, suggest us some new content to create in the future, and remember that it's not the only piece of content that we are creating on YouTube. We also have Qt Talk, which is that podcast I mentioned, and it's on Spotify and on YouTube. So make sure that you check this as well. Yeah, and let's start learning.